Hey guys, Karen from Curl House, and today is wash day. So I'm going to take you through the process of what I do to wash my hair. Step one is finger detangle. So what I do, I take a water bottle and I mix my hair just a little bit. I take my fingers and I am just literally fingering out my hair. I'm pulling out the shed hair first. When you pull out the shed hair first, that is definitely going to make the shampoo and the conditioning process much easier, so that when you shampoo and condition your hair, it's not going to be as tangled. Step two is shampoo. Now, I typically shampoo in the shower, but for purposes of this video, I'm going to head over to that good kitchen sink and I'm going to shampoo my hair. But now it's important that you make sure you really saturate your hair with water before your first shampoo. A lot of times we have a tendency to just wet it for about 2 or 3 seconds and then put a ton of shampoo in it. And you waste a lot of shampoo when you do it that way. So make sure you wet your hair for 1 or 2 minutes to make sure it is saturated wet. Therefore, your shampoo will lather even more. The shampoo that I'm using is designed for dry, itchy scalp, hair loss, and if you have slow growing hair. Shampoo goes directly on the scalp. Now again, normally this would be done in the shower, but I just want to show you what I do if I were in the shower. Okay, so shampoo is applied. After the shampoo is applied, the next thing I do is scalp exfoliation. You are taking your scalp brush and massaging it into the scalp. This does a few things. It does help to increase blood circulation in the areas where you may be thinning, or in areas that are super dry and itchy. This is excellent for hair growth as well, and feels amazing. Whew, my scalp feels amazing. Whew, that shampoo has peppermint in it and rosemary and lavender. It is, whew, my scalp feels great. Like, oh, it feels great, and my hair feels soft. So the shampoo is also a sulfate-free shampoo. And so it doesn't strip your hair. It's not stripping at all. So next step is to condition. And we are going to deep condition today. And we are going to use the Curl House Follicle Stimulating Growth Shampoo, which goes along, growth conditioner. It's a deep conditioner. Deeper has a lot of the same ingredients in the shampoo, as it also includes some of the same herbs that really help to stimulate growth and to your scalp and for the hair. Take some of the conditioner and I'm going to apply it to the hair. There is water all over my glasses, so I can't see very well, but I'm going to keep on going. Conditioner is applied all throughout my hair, and I am going to deep condition. So I'm going to put this cap on, because I'm going to sit under a hooded dryer. Actually, I believe I have a bonnet dryer tonight. I also have a steamer, but tonight I'm going to do the hooded dryer to do a deep condition. I will sit under the dryer about 20 minutes. All right, so I have sat under the dryer for about 20 minutes, and now it is time to detangle. Whew. My hair feels amazing. This is what your hair should feel like after you deep condition. It's important to detangle after the deep condition as opposed to before the deep condition, because after your hair is deep conditioned, it is more relaxed, it's softer, and it's easier to comb through. So I'm going to take a small section and I'm going to start from the bottom up. I use this to detangle. This is my favorite. Some people like brushes. I like the wide tooth comb. So detangling from the bottom up. And after I detangle, I am going to put the detangled section in a 2-strand twist. All right, all done. So hair has been properly detangled. I have twisted it up, or you can put it in plaits. The purpose of that is to keep it detangled while you rinse out the conditioner. Now, notice I said I'm going to keep it detangled while I rinse out the conditioner because I'm going to keep it in the twist. So here we go. I rinse the conditioner out. When you rinse your conditioner out, make sure you rinse it out on a cool setting. Cool water helps to keep the outer layer of your hair, your cuticle layer, smooth so your hair doesn't frizz up as much. And as you can see, the twists are still in. So this makes it really easy for you to style because you can easily navigate through your hair for styling and your hair stays detangled. So the next step is to spray or apply your leave-in conditioner. And spray your leave-in conditioner all over. Leave-in conditioner also helps to keep your hair smooth. This is the last step. I am applying this serum on the scalp, particularly in the areas that are where my hair grows a little slower, which for me is in this top area. I apply it regularly 3 or 4 times a week. And the best time to apply it is at night before you go to bed. I'm massaging it into my scalp, and you get a lot of cellular regeneration that happens at night, particularly when you go to sleep, which is why if you're using any type of product, any type of serum or oil for growth, I always recommend you use it at night. Well, I hope you picked up some tips on how to properly cleanse your scalp and wash your hair and condition your hair. So until we talk again, stay happy.